Many families are attracted to Harrisburg Academy because of its academic program, the emphasis it lays on critical thinking, and strong faculty. The school fosters a strong environment where students are able to grow in their interests that they have. So I think that's what we like about the school. The teachers know what the kids are good at, and then they try to help them succeed.
We did something called Love in Action for PYP. And that was we had to go in groups and make something that was hands-on. My group, we did the Nature Conservancy, and we designed bags so that people don't use plastic. And then people got to color them.
Dia loves nonprofits, and I think that was really exciting to see that they were able to showcase their interest during the last week.
And the teacher out there helping, especially with Dia and our non-profit organization, teacher is out there helping her in every step. She's guiding her, how to do a non-profit, whom to contact, and all those stuff. I think that really helps. We may not get that outside. That's what the advantage of Harrisburg Academy, that we are getting those teachers spending so much time because the shorter class size. Right, and that really helps Dia to achieve what she wants to do.
Our service projects require students to design the project for themselves so that it's focused on their area of interest. And that means that they learn how to organize projects. Organizing a project in the school isn't that different from organizing a project in the real world. We are teaching our kids how to be entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurism, I think, is going to be incredibly useful in a rapidly changing world where new things come about regularly. If you can seize those opportunities, you're going to be successful in the future. And I believe that's why we encourage students to do projects, and we encourage students to do service projects in particular.